XSVR paper unboxing. So I love that this is a compostable mailer, you know, anything to save the planet. Opened it. I did need a scissors, but voila. Look at the packaging, guys. If you've watched enough unboxings, you would know we're suckers for great packaging over here. Totally love the weight and feel of the business card. Very luxurious. You guys know we love handwritten notes, especially from small businesses. Now the notebook. Ooh, look at the pen and the book. Here we go, guys. So I opened it and quality. Feels very stocky, very robust. Like I could really jot down some ideas, but instead I said, thank you. Highly recommend. Follow us for more.